It's summertime and the blackberries are ripe. And we're gonna make a fast and easy blackberry cobbler in the air fryer. So come on into my kitchen and I'll show you how it's done. Before we begin today's recipe, I'd like to give a special shout out to Bob McLeod in Colorado. Bob enjoys watching what he calls The Crystal Show on his TV with his daughter Julie and his son-in-law Simon. Bob, I hope you're feeling well today and can watch this video. Please know that you have a friend in Tennessee that cares about you.
For this recipe, you will need blackberries, self-rising flour, sugar, milk, half a stick of butter, vanilla extract, and tinfoil.
Because I'm using fresh fruit and blackberries are especially tart, we're going to sugar these.
Add a half a cup of sugar to your blackberries. Stir and refrigerate.
The berries have soaked overnight and they're very juicy. I won't use all of these berries today, but I'll freeze the rest for future recipes. You can cook your cobbler in any pan that will fit in your air fryer, but a little common sense will go a long way. For example, I have 2 oven-safe bowls. I can cook cobbler in either of them. This one's the larger one. If I put it in the air fryer,
you will see that there's not a lot of room for the heat to circulate. Also, the bowl sits so close to the edges that it'll be difficult to pull it out when it's done.
If I use this bowl, I can cook a smaller portion, but there'll be lots of space around for airflow. Here's a pro tip. You can save time by melting your butter at the same time that you preheat your air fryer.
Preheat your air fryer for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. Combine half a cup of flour with half a cup of sugar and half a cup of milk.
Did you know that cobblers originated in the American colonies? English settlers were unable to make suet puddings due to lack of ingredients and cooking equipment. So they stewed together fruit with biscuits or dumplings and created the cobbler. The butter is melted. Now we're going to pour in a cup of the blackberries. This next step is optional, but I think it enhances the flavor.
Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
This is coming along nicely. I'm so excited. Next, pour your batter on top.
Don't worry about it sinking. It will rise to the top when it cooks.
Cover with tinfoil.
Don't forget to poke a few holes to let the steam come out.
Place your cobbler into the air fryer basket.
Cook at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. Cook time will vary depending on how juicy your fruit is.
Oh boy, it's been 45 minutes. Now it's time to peel the tinfoil back and see how the cobbler looks. The cobbler is ready, but the top is white. To fix this, I'm going to put it back in the air fryer uncovered for just a few minutes longer. It took 3 minutes to get a golden brown on the top of my cobbler. When you cook yours, pull it out every minute and check it. You do not want the cobbler to burn. There's nothing worse than a scorched blackberry. The cobbler will be incredibly hot when it comes out of the air fryer. Do not eat it at this point. Let it cool for a few minutes. Y'all, this smells so amazing. I can't wait to try some. But before I spoon up a sweet helping, do me a favor. Please click like on my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you're at it, leave me a comment on what your favorite fruit dessert is, and don't forget to click the little bell icon so you can keep up with all of my latest videos. I've always got great recipes, and you never know what Gary's gonna film on the farm. Are y'all ready for this? Oh, this looks so amazing. Let's put the little dish over here. Okay, we're gonna cut into it. Look at that, y'all. Yum. Now, Mommy has an extra special taste tester today. Jessie? Yes, darling. Do you want to taste some of this cobbler? Open up. How is that, Jessie? Is it good? Now, what do you think about that?
Tastes real good.
Tastes real good.
Sorry, very good, Jesse.
What a simple and delicious dessert. My little boy likes it, and I know you'll like it too. I certainly hope you'll give this recipe a try. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, good wishes, good health, and good night.